OK class, we have our guide plate already saved, and now all we need to do is put the two circles there. So if you look on page 130, it continues, and it talks about how there's different types of circles. So if you pull this down, you'll see center radius, center diameter, 2 point, 3 point, tan, tan radius, tan, tan, tan. You're going to learn to do some of these circles and also some other tricks and trades. So I come down here, and it says in the command prompt area, specify center for the circle. So let me rephrase this. In this list option, you're going to select center diameter. So you're going to click this down here and select center diameter. Come here and you scroll down, and it says that you're going to enter the world coordinates system, or the UCS, at 2.5, 3. So I'm here, it's asking for a center point. And so I am going to put 2.5 as X, 3 as Y. So 2.5 over, 3 up. It's going to say right there. Now you notice where my cursor is, and the radius of the circle is about halfway down that line. And that's because I've selected diameter, not radius. So then I'm going to specify the diameter of the circle as 2.5. I'm going to hit 2.5. You'll see it down there that I've entered it. When I hit enter, it makes my 2.5 circle. Should look like this. It does. Then, inside this graphic window, you right mouse click. You say repeat circle. Got repeat circle. Now, here's the crazy thing. It always defaults to radius. Remember this. Say it over again. It always defaults to radius. So, I'm going to put the relative rectangular coordinates, meaning the last point I entered was right here. So I'm going to, when I say relative to this last point. So I'm going to do at, means relative, make that the origin, 2.5, 2. I hit enter. You notice it puts it there. Now, you notice my cursor is right on the edge of the circle. That's because it's radius. And so in here you see it says inside the graphic window, right mouse click. I'm going to right mouse click, hit diameter. And then I'm going to, in the command prompt area, I'm going to enter the diameter as 1.5. So I'm going to hit 1.5, enter. And I've got my guide plate done. And I can hit save, because it's already. I am going to then pull up my documents. Go to the guide plate, T, right? The guide plate. Now you notice there's two here. There's guide plate Dwight Davison .bac and then a DWG file over here. You want to turn in the DWG file. So remember I told you to come here, select drive, create a new folder called AutoCAD files with an exclamation point. Well, I open that up, and I'm going to drag in the DWG file. It's going to take a few seconds, and then I'll go to Classroom and turn this in. You have just now backed up this file.